Hello, Identities. Once again, I'm here to share the story of Mr. Avillo Roy, who is the grandson of Sarojini Naidu and a serial entrepreneur. But before starting his story, I would like to say thanks to all of you for your wonderful love and valuable suggestions. I would also like to add 2 points here. First one is as COVID 19 is going on, all of you know. So stay at home and stay safe. Second one is always be confident, be consistent, and keep going on to achieve something great in your life. Remember, confidence always matters. Now, without any further ado, I would like to start to introduce you with the story of Mr. Avello Roy. Avello, as I had said earlier, is the grandson of Sarojini Naidu, who is a poet, freedom fighter, and popularly known as the Nightingale of India. Avello's father was an entrepreneur, and his mother was a leader. Avello is a serial entrepreneur having 8 businesses in US with multi-million dollar worth of products and services ranging from artificial intelligence system, food science, healthcare automation system, etc. etc. Avello started his first business at the age of 19 when he was in his college, and he invested zero money in his business from him. That means he believes in the concept of investing zero money from your own pocket. He says that start your business with zero money, grow your business with clients' money, and scale your business with investors' money. Avello has won more than 70 awards in US, Canada, and India as well. He is the MD of Kolkata Ventures, and he is the startup advisor of Prime Minister of Nepal. Avello Roy is 3 times TEDx speaker. He is also regarded as one of the 40 must follow people in Indian startup ecosystem by Vista. Currently, Avello runs the largest startup incubator in East India known as Kolkata Ventures with 375 plus startup revenue generating. Those startups are generating their revenue. The interesting story of Avello Roy is when he was in his 8th class standard, he wrote a letter to Bill Gates and asked him to be his business partner. And the interesting fact is here, Bill Gates responded him back when he was a child. When Avello was in his second year of college, his parents were getting separated, and to fulfill his emotional blank space, he took the help of the religious and spiritual book Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Avello believes that relationship matters to make you stand one step ahead in your life. When you are surrounded with productive peoples, automatically you get more and more productive. Initially, means earlier when Avello was a child, he was very shy and introvert. But when he went to America for his study, he met with his friends, and he had a clear vision that he is interested to start a business. Avello believes in the concept of slow hiring and fast firing. He says that the productive people should not be get affected due to one an unskilled person. So hire slow and fire fast. Avello give a suggestion here, and he says that always be ready with your pitch. When you are appearing for your interview, when you are appearing for to present something or present to yourself, you should be ready with your pitch and almost all the expected questions or almost expected all talks, because opportunity may come at any time at any moment, and you should ready for that. And that makes you to stand up one step ahead from others, and you achieve something great from others too. Avello says that when you are delivering a speech, there is 7% text and 93% your non-verbal communication. So make practice, record your audios, record your videos, stand in front of your mirror and observe that what should be there, what should be improvement there. If you are a judge, if you have to decide what should be the improvement, then what will be that? Observe in yourself. Take your time to yourself. He emphasized on the fact that give, 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 and give to take back something and then ask for help. Avello pointed out 3 points to start a business. First, take more time to hire people, as his concept was hire slow and fire fast. The second point, let people be responsible for their own work. If they make a mistake, they should be responsible for their work. If they do great, then they should be appreciated for their work. Means taking the ownership of your own work is the concept of Mr. Avello Roy. The third point in to says for to start a business, be good at marketing. When you have some product or services, be good at marketing so that you can monetize that or you can promote that. The last message what Avelora delivers: think big, dream big, start small, grow small, and then grow fast. Remember, you are not the controller of everything. There is Almighty, there is a high power. There are some facts or some things which are beyond your control. Ask for help, be confident, be consistent, and keep going on. Keep going through your rejections and get always confident and go ahead always. Don't stop at a point. Finally, the last line what inspired Mr. Avello Roy and me as well. I like to see sad faces into happy faces. Thank you. See you again.